What if I told you Warren Buffett once left an entire audience speechless? Today, we're diving into that unforgettable moment. In a packed room, Buffett was asked for his top advice. His response? Simple yet profound. He said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Imagine hearing that from one of the richest men in the world. He emphasized reading and continuous learning. The crowd was stunned by his humility and wisdom. Buffett's secret isn't just about stocks. It's about personal growth and self-improvement. That's what sets him apart. He practices what he preaches daily. His message resonated deeply with everyone. Investing in yourself has long-term rewards. Did you feel inspired by Buffett's advice? Hit the like button if you did. Warren Buffett shocks everyone. Warren Buffett's words echoed through the auditorium, leaving everyone stunned. The difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything, he stated, capturing everyone's attention immediately. Warren Buffett, often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the most successful investors of all time. His financial wisdom and investment strategies have made him a household name and a revered figure in the business world. Buffett's speeches are highly anticipated events, drawing audiences eager to glean insights from his decades of experience. His ability to distill complex financial concepts into relatable advice makes his talks invaluable to both seasoned professionals and novices alike. This particular event was no different. Held at a prestigious business conference, the room buzzed with excitement as attendees eagerly awaited Buffett's appearance. The atmosphere was electric, filled with a mix of curiosity and admiration for the legendary investor. As Buffett took the stage, the room fell silent, all eyes fixed on him. His unassuming demeanor and gentle smile contrasted with the weight of the wisdom he was about to impart, setting the stage for a memorable speech. As Warren Buffett took the stage, the room buzzed with excitement and anticipation. The audience, filled with investors and enthusiasts, could hardly wait to hear his wisdom. His humble demeanor contrasted with the immense respect he commanded in the financial world. Buffett's entrance was marked by a quiet confidence. The atmosphere shifted to a focused silence, with everyone eager to absorb his insights. His presence alone seemed to instill a sense of calm and assurance among the attendees, setting the stage for a memorable speech. The first impactful statement from Buffett immediately grabbed attention. He spoke about the importance of long-term investment strategies over short-term gains. This advice was unexpected for many, challenging the conventional wisdom of quick profits that often dominate market conversations. Buffett's unique speaking style further captivated the audience. He communicated complex financial concepts with remarkable simplicity and clarity. His ability to connect with people, regardless of their background, made his insights accessible and deeply resonant, elevating the entire experience. During his speech, Buffett shared a personal story about his early investment days. He recounted buying his first stock at a young age, emphasizing the lessons learned from that experience. This story provided a relatable and tangible example of his broader principles. Buffett shared a personal story about his early investing days, revealing how a small decision led to significant growth over time. This anecdote illustrated the power of patience and long-term thinking, leaving the audience with a valuable lesson on the importance of strategic planning. Analyzing the story, it's clear that Buffett emphasizes the value of consistent, thoughtful decisions. His experience underscores the importance of perseverance and strategic foresight in achieving financial success, a lesson resonating deeply with both novice and seasoned investors in the audience. Another key point from Buffett's speech was his perspective on market behavior. He explained that understanding human psychology is crucial in investing, offering insights into how emotional responses can drive market fluctuations, making this advice particularly relevant in today's volatile economic climate. The audience's reaction to this point was palpable. Many were visibly intrigued and took notes. Buffett's ability to distill complex economic principles into relatable advice sparked a renewed interest in understanding market dynamics and their psychological underpinnings. A moment of humor came when Buffett joked about his frugality, recounting a time he saved money by making sandwiches at home. This lighthearted comment not only entertained, but also underscored a serious point about the value of financial discipline. Warren Buffett's humor during his speech wasn't just for entertainment. It cleverly underscored serious points. His ability to make the audience laugh while delivering profound insights made his messages more memorable and impactful, blending wisdom with wit seamlessly. Buffett's unexpected humor highlighted his relatability, making complex financial concepts more accessible. By using humor to illustrate serious points, he bridged the gap between technical knowledge and everyday understanding, ensuring his audience grasped the gravity of his advice. One surprising fact Buffett shared was the staggering amount of wealth tied up in non-productive assets. This revelation underscored the importance of investing wisely, prompting the audience to reconsider their financial strategies and focus on growth-oriented investments. Buffett emphasized the value of long-term thinking in his advice, urging the audience to prioritize sustainable financial habits over quick gains. This practical guidance resonated deeply, offering a roadmap for building enduring wealth through disciplined, informed decision-making. A quote from Buffett that left the audience in awe was, "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." This profound statement encapsulated the essence of smart investing, encouraging listeners to seek true value beyond immediate costs. One quote from Buffett that truly left the audience in awe was, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." This simple yet profound statement resonated deeply, emphasizing the importance of personal growth and continuous learning in achieving success. Analyzing the depth of that quote, it's clear Buffett believes in the power of self-improvement. Investing in skills, knowledge, and health not only enhances personal value, but also creates opportunities, making it a cornerstone of his philosophy for financial and personal success. As Buffett wrapped up his speech, his closing remarks reinforced the importance of integrity and long-term thinking. He urged everyone to make decisions based on principles and not just short-term gains, leaving the audience with a powerful final message to ponder. The audience's reaction at the end was a mix of admiration and inspiration. Many were visibly moved, reflecting on the wisdom shared. Buffett's ability to blend practical advice with profound insights left a lasting impact, sparking conversations and reflections among attendees. Personally, the speech was a reminder of the timeless principles that drive true success. Buffett's words were not just about financial wisdom, but about life lessons that are universally applicable. His emphasis on integrity, learning, and long-term thinking resonated deeply with me. Warren Buffett's words resonated far beyond the conference hall, igniting thoughtful conversations about financial wisdom and personal growth. Attendees left inspired, carrying practical insights that could reshape their approaches to investing in life. His speech truly made a lasting impact. As the audience pondered Buffett's advice, the significance of his message grew clearer. His blend of experience, humility, and foresight offered timeless lessons. Whether novice or expert, everyone found value in his perspective, prompting deeper reflection on their financial strategies. The energy in the room didn't fade after Buffett's closing remarks. Conversations buzzed with excitement and curiosity as attendees dissected his points and shared their interpretations. This collective engagement underscored the transformative power of Buffett's plain-spoken wisdom. In summarizing the key takeaways, it's evident that Buffett emphasized patience, informed decision-making, and the importance of continuous learning. His insights into navigating economic uncertainties and personal development provided a robust framework for attendees to build upon in their own journeys. Reflecting on Buffett's speech, viewers are encouraged to internalize his advice and apply it to their lives. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's continue this dialogue. Your reflections could inspire others and foster a deeper understanding of Buffett's profound wisdom. Warren Buffett's speech left an indelible mark, sparking numerous follow-up questions and in-depth discussions among the audience. His wisdom not only resonated deeply, but also encouraged many to reconsider their financial strategies and personal philosophies, igniting a wave of introspection. Summarizing the key takeaways from Buffett's speech, it's clear that his insights on investment, patience, and ethical leadership hold timeless value. His words serve as a guiding light, urging individuals to think long-term and prioritize integrity in both personal and professional endeavors. If this video is useful, then please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you next time with a new video. Bye.